Student, my name is Anand Vijay. In this video lecture, we are to focus onto the new topic of Python, that is the working in script mode. Student, we have already know we can perform the programming operation in Python by two different mode. One is the interactive mode. We have already familiar about the interactive mode. Now we focus onto the script mode. What is script mode? Basically, script mode is allow to type and use and execute the lengthy kind of program. You can define the maximum length of program under the script mode. Basically, script mode provide a text editor. That text editor is used to define the program. After that, we can save it program. After saving, we can execute the program. Means of saving, we can further it create a file, and the file extension of automatically taken, that is the .py. .py is the file extension of Python. When you save any kind of program in the Python, it automatically converted in the file mode, and that file is later used by the user. So most of the program are used inside the Python by using script mode. So we start the script mode. How we can open? You can find out the open ideally Python. There is the file, and the new file you can use the script mode. So start here. I have already opened the Python. In the Python, we can click on the file and new file option. It can be open the script mode. Right now you can see onto your screen there is the blank text editor will be open. That text editor is called script mode. Here I have typed, in the last time we have discussed about the variable. So we can use here a equals to 10. The first variable name is a and the value is 10. B, the next variable name. Okay, then we can use the some example of arithmetical operation. C equals to, I have defined here in the example of arithmetical operation. The variable C, I have defined the text value, and A and B, I have defined the numeric value. Then we can use the print function addition equal A plus B. Then I mention it, the print subtraction equal, in comma is the bifurcate, A minus B, print all the mathematical operation multiplication equal, he put the star mark, that is the multiplication work here, in print division. There are the two kinds of division follow here. If you use the single slash, that perform the float kind of division. So float division. That means what? It show the output with decimal point. A slash, single slash will be used, A slash B. That means the A divided by B. Then print integer division or floor division. That is called integer. Or, I have defined or here, floor. FLOOR. Floor division equal, we can use the double slash. There is one also operation we can perform here. That is the exponent raised to the power operation. Raised to the power equal. Then comma, put the comma. E double star mark. We can put the double star mark B. These are the simple kind of arithmetical operation we can perform using the script mode, by using script mode under the Python. And after that we can save it. How we save it? We have just click here file and then click a save option. A save dialog box will be appear here. Here I have defined the calculation. The file name is calculation. Automatically it can be take the py. Okay. You can find out the file name is calculation.py. Okay. I open the magnifier here for the kind of view of this program is display. Look, this one is the variable where we define a equals to 10, b equals to 5 and c equals to example. We cannot use the c here, so we start the print. The first we have defined print c. It prints the example of mathematical operation. We can also use the slash e to print this one. Look what happened. This one is modified by me, so save it. After that we can click on the run option and run module option. You can find out it given the output example of arithmetical operation. Addition equal to 15 because the a plus b, that means the 10 plus 5 is the 15. Subtraction 10 minus 5 5. Multiplication a multiplied by b, that means the internally 10 multiplied by 5, the output is 50. Float division, that means a single slash b, the 10 divided by 5, the output is 2.0. The next one we can use the double slash. For the division, it perform the integer or floor division. What the difference between both? Because the floor division contains the decimal point also, but this one, the floor division or an integer division, ignores the decimal point. Then the last is the raised to the power operation, where a 10 raised to the power b. B means 5. 10 raised to the power 5. So 5 times leading 0, but 10 is going to print. I think this is a very simple example and it is create a sense about the programmings. And C, the variable C value here, it is going to print example of arithmetical operation. Thank you and have a good day. Try to do at home